Transaction history for particular currency pairs is available for review at all times. Click on History to access it. You can also review the entire history by selecting See All. You can view the history for all markets or any particular one. You can also view by operation. If that's not enough, the History tab holds the entire account history, including deposits and withdrawals, as well as transactions. History can be filtered by market or time range. The Transactions tab allows you to review your entire transaction history. This can be filtered by currency pair. As you may have already noticed, some transactions are recorded in history as a series of smaller events. This happens most often with large transactions when an operation involves several smaller ones. There is a separate transaction fee charged for each transaction. In the Withdrawals/Deposits tab, you will find a record of your withdrawals and deposits along with the related addresses that you can view by clicking on this blue icon. To review detailed transaction history, click on Detailed. This holds all operations of any kind with their respective sums and remaining post-transaction balances.